now representing the female contingent, not Farhan, Vidya. I put our hands together. Please welcome on stage Vidya Bala. Hey guys, we'll hurry up. 1 second, please. Okay. Good evening. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you one thing. The first question I'm going to ask you is, you'll be asked this 15,000 times after today, but I'm the first one, so I figure it out. Okay, I'll come ahead. Okay, so there's been a big buzz about this casting, about this pairing throughout social media. How is it working with Vidya?
Well, good evening everyone. ये सवाल मुझसे काफ़ी बार पहले भी पूछा गया है. बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि सारे लोग जानते हैं कि विद्या इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड एक्टर. तो I've had a wonderful time working with her because you always look to work with people who are good at what they do. She's also paid me to say all this. So, am I doing good so far? Okay. All right. So yeah, she was amazing.
We'll talk.
No, it was an amazing time. Thank you. I agree with it.
Thank you.
Vidya, what do you think?
Hi, everyone. It says Mr. Oh, Miss Always Right. Mr. Always Right. Okay. It was wonderful working with Farhan. I must say that, of course, I knew his work. I'd watched his films and all of that. But I was very happy I watched Bhag Milkha after our shoot was over. Because I couldn't have gone back on set after having watched that film. I couldn't have performed with him after that film. But
Knowing that's under the shirt.
no, it was fabulous. And what I enjoy most about him is that he's a fellow Capricornian. And we have many Capricornians in this film, Mr. Nandi. Yeah. What more do you want me to say about
No, nothing. We're going to go straight into the trailer. Are you guys excited to watch the trailer? Yes? No, some more. Are you guys excited to watch the trailer? Yes? Awesome. Before we go through the trailer, Farhan, do you have any word of advice for the male contingent here before they watch the trailer?
I've got one piece of advice, which is something that I learned from this film. There's a wonderful mantra that Saket and the writers have put, which I completely agree with. वो ये है कि जब मैं गलती करता हूँ अपनी शादी में तो मैं सॉरी कहता हूँ और जब मेरी बीवी गलती करती है तभी मैं ही सॉरी कहता हूँ. So I think that's a very good mantra.
I like
it's a
this.
great way to ensure a long and fruitful
मैं
happy
कुछ कहूँ?
relationship for all concerned.
मैं कुछ कहूँ? गलती का एहसास होना बहुत जरूरी है. And here you get 100 marks.
I'm sorry.
Alright, so guys, are you guys excited for the trailer? Yes? Alright, give me out the trailer, please. अच्छा ना 100% the one thing that is on everybody's mind right now, ठीक है? ट्रेलर देखने के बाद एक तो बताओ इसमें से कौन सा सही साइड है और कौन सा गलत साइड है? प्लीज.
ये सवाल मुझे इनसे ही पूछना चाहिए. मुझे लग रहा है, बट आफ्टर डूइंग सम रिसर्च, कि जो साइड गीला है वो गलत है और जो सूखा साइड है वो साइड सही होगा. इज दैट राइट?
सही गलत साइड को तो छोड़ो, तुम लोग कभी टॉवल सही जगह नहीं रखते, क्यों? डू यू वुमेन अग्री? कभी बेड पे, कभी ट्रेडमिल पे, कभी यहाँ वहां, ना सिर्फ तौलिया, सब कुछ गीला हो जाता है.
बात ये है कि जहां हम रखते हैं वो जगह सही हो जाती है.
फिलहाल तो आप गलत जगह है.
अच्छा ये
यू हैव टू कम दिस साइड.
सॉरी.
wow, method acting. The fight is still on.
No, this is my side.
Oh, yes, that's yours. I'm on your side. Alright, so we will carry this discussion further and invite on stage the producers who've wholeheartedly supported this movie. Please welcome on stage Mr. Pritish Nandi and Ekta Kapoor.
And the battle of the sexes continues.
Was this all? This is perfect. It's almost like fallen into place. So I'm going to definitely ask you one thing. Okay, we found the God particle. We found water on Mars. But one question whose answer we haven't found out yet is that इनको exactly क्या चाहिए?
Well, when I got married, that was quite some time back, I asked my wife how shall we take it forward? So she had one simple answer: shut up and stay faithful. I was so busy following the first part of her diktat that I forgot entirely about the second.
Ekta, if I ask you the same.
What? What do women want?
Yes.
Lots of television, twists, turns, and at least 2 times the husband has to die in the show, and then bring them back when they need it.
But ye milke everything will be fine.
If the show is good, yeah.
You don't have to wait for me to do this. Alright, so now I'm going to call on stage the guy who's behind all of this, the puppeteer, the master, the captain of the ship. Please welcome on the stage the director of the movie, Mr. Saket Chaudhary.
Welcome.
Alright, Saket, first was प्यार के side effects, now is शादी के side effects. आपकी 3 film deal है क्या exactly? मतलब इसके बाद तलाक के side effects कुछ plan है ऐसे वैसे? I'm just asking.
कोई immediate plan तो ऐसा नहीं है. But I think after this, I think we'll try filmmaking के side effects.
Filmmaking. Alright, so now we're going to eventually find out who wins in the battle of the sexes. But before that, can I have that please? Alright, so as a show of strength, we're going to see who exactly wins. I would also like to call on stage Mr. Bhushan Kumar. So please, if you can have on stage, please. The music seems to be absolutely fantastic also. अच्छा अभी ये थोड़ा uneven हो गया.
नहीं हम दो सबके बराबर हैं.
We can manage.
You can also move to that side. Don't worry. We're sorted.
Can we have that please?
You need some more actually on that side to balance it out.
Okay, so ultimate show of strength to see who wins.
क्या बात है?
मतलब बरसों की तपस्या से मालूम नहीं पड़ा कौन जीता है, तो आज इससे हम डिसाइड करने वाले हैं.
Tug of war. Always give the men a long rope.
Hi guys, now the media is open to ask questions. Just to continue with the theme, we request all the female reporters to direct their questions towards all the men, and all the male reporters to direct all the questions towards the women. Yes?
Wow, very interesting question. And this is a movie, and in my real life, I think I should completely avoid answering your question. Well, it is a philosophy that works for some, it doesn't work for others, it doesn't work for me in my personal life, it doesn't.
Thank you.
Next.
I don't know, I've been married for over 12 years now, so it's a bit late to ask me this question. But I don't know, it's an individual thing. How can I comment on what we can have such judgmental opinions on people?
Maybe they don't want to know when the partner is lying.
I request you to please keep the questions directed towards the trailer and the film. Next.
आप देख ही रहे हैं. आपको ये बेहतरीन लगा? तो यही है साइड इफेक्ट्स. यही है शादी के साइड इफेक्ट्स. एंड आई थिंक इट्स वंडरफुल टू विन.
यही प्रॉब्लम मुझे सीधे सीधे जवाब नहीं देते कभी. नोटिस क्या
It's wonderful to win all the time. शादी के बाद वही होता है, आप हमेशा जीतते हैं. हम हमेशा जीतते हैं.
He's very scared. I don't think he's going to get married now.
आपकी शादी हो गई है? हो गई है? You intend to?
अरे फोन हटाओ. विद्या, आपकी रियल लाइफ सिद्धार्थ मतलब कितना झूठ बोलते हैं आपको खुश रखने के लिए?
वो तो आपको उनसे ही पूछना पड़ेगा.
नहीं आपने कहा.
अच्छा हुआ आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा. जब औरत झूठ भी बोलती है ना तो आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
आपके पड़ोस में कौन रहता है?
बाद में बताऊं.
आपके पड़ोस, आपका सवाल बहुत
फिलहाल तो साकेत चौधरी.
हेलो, मेरा सवाल प्रीतिश जी से है. हेलो.
Where are you? Ah, sure.
लोग बोलते हैं कि शादी के पहले जो नवयुवक होते हैं वो देश बदलने की बात करते हैं, लेकिन शादी के बाद चैनल भी नहीं बदल पाते. तो ये बात कितना सच है, कहाँ तक सच है आपके हिसाब से?
असल में what the only solution to this is that you allow her to win. You allow her to win on everything, and then you win ultimately.
तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने के हिसाब से 2 टीवी ठीक रहेंगे कि
3, 4?
जब तक बिल वो भरते हैं 4 भी हो जाए नो प्रॉब्लम.
उनके प्यारे कुत्ते के लिए भी एक ला लीजिए.
थैंक यू.
विद्या आपके राइट में है. विद्या आपके राइट में यहाँ. कुछ दिनों पहले आपने कहा था कि शादी से कुछ हो या ना हो, लेकिन शादी से कांदे बटाटे का भाव मालूम पड़ जाता है. तो सिद्धार्थ को अब तक ऐसी किन किन चीजों का भाव मालूम पड़ा या आपने बताया हो?
फिलहाल तो एक सिड मेरे साथ हैं, आप उन्हीं से पूछ लें. इनका भी नाम सिड ही है फिल्म में.
चलिए आप ही बता दीजिए सिड.
क्या जानना चाहते हैं आप?
जो भी आप बता देंगे.
जो भी मैं बताना चाहूँ.
शादी के
तो ठीक है, आज सुबह जब मैं उठा नहीं, क्या सवाल क्या है?
अच्छा चलिए एक आपसे एक दूसरा सवाल है. बहुत भागते हैं आप, भाग भाग के आपने भाग मिल्खा भाग बना दी, तो अपनी वाइफ को भी ऐसे ही भगाते हैं आप? मेरा मतलब है.
नहीं, आपको क्यों लगा मैं मुझे भागने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी?
Next.
हाय. क्या?
मतलब आप ये स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी के पोज में क्यों?
माइक की वजह से. सही कहा आपने, अच्छे बुरे सब साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं, पर आई डोंट नो व्हाट टिप टू गिव यू. मैं खुद एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हूँ फिलहाल, तो it's very early for me to give anyone any tips. Just I think be yourself, because women end up losing themselves in a marriage. और ये कभी होना नहीं चाहिए.
I spent many more years than Vidya in a marriage, and I can tell you I'm as flummoxed as she is, as confused even now.
But one really interesting thing in the movie, the music sounds fantastic. Bhushan sir, what do you anything you'd like to add about the music? I think the music is fantastic.
Superb. It's fantastic music. It has blend of all romantic songs and the dance tracks. So it's really good. I'm looking forward to it.
आप तो सबको फंसाने पे तुली हुई हैं.
अरे मेरी शादी बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, तो कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं.
सॉरी, क्या है कहावत? सर मुझे तो लड्डू खाए हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया है. नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बचा रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. टच वुड. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. तो जब देन थिंग्स आर नॉट प्रॉब्लमेटिक एंड नॉट ब्रोकन, यू शुड नॉट ट्राई एंड फिक्स एनीथिंग. तो एवरीथिंग इज गुड. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
मैं भी पछता नहीं रही हूँ.
Who sorts out the? We have a referee. See, everything, honestly. Marriage eventually is also a relationship between two people, like anything else is. When you're friends, when you're in a partnership, and everything in life is constantly work in progress. You know, so you are constantly getting to know each other, you're constantly evolving with each other. You know, so at times, of course, no, and not every single day can be an amazing day. There are many amazing days, but at times there are times where, you know, you don't see eye to eye on something, or you may not agree. But you have to be mature and adult about it, and realize that it's just a problem now that can be discussed, spoken about, and will go away. You know, as long as you care for each other, that will happen.
Vidya and Farhan here. Yeah. Towards your left. Yeah. Hi. Firstly, the trailer is very nice, very
Thank
rocking.
you.
And I want to know it from you, Vidya, that, you know, is there any time that Siddharth has, you know, told a lie and have caught him red-handed saying that, oh, I was not looking all that great, but he still complimented me just to be safe. Is there any other moment like that you remember of?
No, I must say that I found he's a very good actor. He says it very convincingly that you're looking very good according to me, according to him. Even first thing in the morning, I'm looking good. So thankfully, but I don't always believe him.
Okay.
Okay, the second part of the question had nothing to do with the first part, but okay. Okay, thank you for the first part, and now I'll answer your second. The second part of your question is, like I said when I came onto stage, honestly, as an actor or as a director, when you go onto set, you want to be working with people who are good at what they do, who are hungry about their work, you know, who are also willing to listen and to learn along with you, because everyone is learning on the job. So on that level, she's a very strong performer. She has a great understanding of what she needs to do in a film. And when you're working with somebody like that, you take a lot from them, and that helps you to perform better as well, you know, because you're constantly being challenged. So that's how I felt working with her, and it was a truly enjoyable experience.
Thank you.
विद्या आपके राइट में आलोक है.
Hi, Alok.
एक तो आप स्टाइलिश लग रही हैं, एक घड़ी वगैरह का जो स्टाइल आपके हाथ में बहुत रापचिक टाइप का लग रहा है. तो पहले
बहुत अच्छा सिटी बजाते हैं.
उनके नकल डस्टर्स अपने देखे?
नहीं, वो देख नहीं पाया था.
फैंटम का दूसरा हाथ.
सवाल ये कि आपसे भी है और एकता से भी है कि शादी से पहले के इफेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं, अगर एकता शेयर करना चाहे और आप शेयर करना चाहें. बाद के इफेक्ट्स तो फिल्म में देखेंगे हम.
पहले यही लगता है कि यू नो क्या होगा शादी के बाद. यू कीप वंडरिंग, यू कीप होपिंग कि कभी मेरी शादी हो. और शादी के बाद लगता है कि मैंने जल्दी तो नहीं कर दी. मजाक कर रही हूँ, प्लीज ये टीवी पर मत दिखाना.
एकता, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी शादी से पहले के इफेक्ट्स?
मेरे को सिर्फ पहले के पता है.
वही वाले.
So पहले के effects हैं कि I'm learning from Vidya, you know. She just got married and she tells me that it's a good thing. So maybe after 5 years, if she yet believes that, I'll get into it.
तो वो आप मानती हैं कि 5 साल लगेंगे अभी हमें खुशखबरी सुनने में?
अरे मेरी शादी आपके लिए खुशखबरी क्यों है? Three things I've learned from Vidya. Vidya, teach me some 3 things. She will just.
I'll tell you what the 3 things are. Entertainment, entertainment, entertainment.
I have a question for you guys, Farhan, Vidya, both. Now this is you've attempted comedy with a little bit with Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara as well, and it's the great pairing along with comedy. How has that been? Like, has the comedy come naturally, like borrowing instances from your own marriage? How has it been? How much did Saket help you out with?
No, I'm not to sound too academic about things, you know, but you draw everything from the script, and then you draw it from the atmosphere and environment that's created on set. And you want to feel good about every scene that you're doing, so there's a certain discussion that happens before. You don't want to really over-rehearse comedy, because that can really take away from being in the moment. But it really is, it's a very smartly written script and a very wittily written, or the dialogues are very, very witty. So, I mean, just kudos to the writers and to Saket for it.
Any other questions, guys?
Farhan, you're so witty and funny and spontaneous as we just saw now. Does that help you when you're having fights at home and you've got into trouble at home? Like you just crack a joke and everything's forgiven?
Constantly.
And I must add here that I'm amazed by his timing. On set, there were times when obviously I'd start laughing at the most inappropriate time, much to, Saket's.
Yeah, we'd break for lunch and come back and she'd still be sitting and laughing.
That's
we were like,
credit
you
or
want us to come back in a
discredit.
couple of hours? I'll just go have a
Credit
meeting.
for that
It's
goes
Santa
to
Cruz.
Farhan.
Hi guys, one final question. No, sorry. Can we keep the question related to the trailer, please?
हाँ, काफी लोग हैं जो छुट्टियां मतलब वो कर रहे हैं कि वो टाइम बुक कर रहे हैं कि जिस समय वो मैच होगा, लास्ट फाइनल मैच होगा, उस पर वो अपनी छुट्टी ले लेंगे प्रोड्यूसर से, डायरेक्टर से. तो क्या आप लोगों ने अपना ऐसा कोई टाइम बुक किया है या ऐसा कुछ सोच रहे हैं?
Very honestly, I am a Sachin fan, but I'm not a cricket fan. And I'm going to be in Hyderabad, Bobby Jasus के shooting के लिए. तो मैं यहाँ रहूँगी नहीं, पर टीवी पे देखूँगी जितना देख सकूँ.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
फरहान का रिएक्शन और दिवाली की विश. फरहान का रिएक्शन, दिवाली की विश.
Happy Diwali in advance.
फरहान हैप्पी दिवाली बोल दीजिए. माइक एकता के हाथ में.
Hi, happy Diwali to everybody watching.